Hello, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 6 ways of making money on Boloup. Boloup is one of the live stream platform that gives you opportunity to interact with people from different places and also make money. The first way that you can make money on Boloup is by becoming a referrer. To become a referrer simply means to send your invite link to other people around you, and they use your invite link to register on Boloup. That way, Boloup is going to pay you. In order to become a referrer, all you have to do is to click on the me option, click on the invite option. So right here, all you have to do is to click on invite now. As you invite, you get rewarded $3. Boloup will pay you $3 for inviting someone to join your Boloup app. Get rewarded every week for successful invitation. You can see the notification here. So having done that, the next way you can make money on Boloup is by going live and completing your daily tasks. So every task you complete on Boloup has a reward that goes with it. You can see each of them, they have reward. We have the monthly task and the daily task, and we also have reward for each of those tasks as you complete them. So the third is by participating in events. If you look at this my home page, you're going to see an event popping up that says invite hosts, pay and win up to $16. So this event is one of the events happening now on Boloup. If you participate, you're going to be among people that is going to get $16 as their reward for participating in this event and completing every task involved in that event. The fourth way you can make money on Boloup is by leveling up. To level up simply means to increase your level in charm level or rich level or in your VIP. So any of them, you just have to complete it, increase your level, and Boloup will appreciate you for that fact. You can also make money on Boloup by becoming an agent on Boloup. You just have to submit your information on the page me, create agency, and Boloup staffs will help you. Just fill your details here, and Boloup staffs will help you create your agency. So by that way, Boloup will pay you for becoming an agency. You can also make money on Boloup by selling coin, because everything that is being done on this app involves coin. The playing of game, the interaction, the sending of gifts, all involve coins. So if you are a seller on the app, you're going to make money on it. So guys, I believe with this guide you'll be able to make money on Boloup app. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. I'm going to drop my playlist of Boloup apps video that I've already made so far, so that if you have any question, you can just go through those videos, or you can drop it on the comment section. I'll always be there to reply to your questions. Thanks for watching.